So after years of viral videos that were equal parts impressive and a little unsettling, Boston Dynamics is officially getting serious. The company has just revealed the industry-ready version of Atlas, and this time, it's not about backflips or dance routines. This Atlas is built to work, day in and day out, inside real warehouses and factories, and production has already begun. If you remember those early Atlas clips that made the internet do a double take, this feels like the moment where the robot grows up. Boston Dynamics has confirmed that the first production units are arriving this year, and Atlas already has its first real job lined up at a Hyundai facility. That makes this the robot's first proper deployment in an actual industrial environment, not a demo lab or a carefully staged video. Physically, this new Atlas is no small machine. It stands about 6.2 feet tall and packs an impressive 56 degrees of movement across its joints. That means it can rotate its neck and hips, move its fingers independently to grab objects, and bend through its knees and ankles to navigate factory floors. All that flexibility gives it a reach of around 7.5 feet, which is a big deal when you're working in tight warehouse aisles or crowded manufacturing spaces. Atlas is designed to work alongside people, but it's clearly built to handle conditions most humans wouldn't enjoy for very long. It can operate in temperatures ranging from -4 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit and can repeatedly lift about 66 pounds, with occasional lifts going up to 110 pounds. On a full charge, it runs for around 4 hours, and when the battery runs low, Atlas doesn't need help. It can swap its own battery in under 3 minutes and get right back to work. When it comes to control, Atlas is surprisingly versatile. It can work fully autonomously, be remotely operated by a human, or be managed through a tablet interface. Behind all of that is an AI system that doesn't just focus on movement. The robot understands its surroundings, adapts when things change, and can even gather operational data that companies can use to make their facilities more efficient. To push things even further, Boston Dynamics has partnered with DeepMind, Alphabet's AI research lab. The goal here is to help Atlas learn new tasks faster and better, understand what's happening around it in factories and warehouses. And once one Atlas learns a new skill, that knowledge can be shared instantly across the entire fleet, which could massively speed up deployment at scale. Right now, this version of Atlas is focused squarely on warehouse and factory work, like machine tending, component sequencing, and order fulfillment. Boston Dynamics says the system can be customized for new tasks in under 24 hours, which hints at how flexible they want this platform to be. Production is underway at the company's Boston headquarters, with early customer deployments planned for 2026 at Hyundai and Google DeepMind facilities. Hyundai, which is the majority shareholder in Boston Dynamics, is also thinking big. The company plans to build a new robotics facility capable of producing up to 30,000 robots per year, including Atlas, Spot, and other platforms. More Atlas customers are expected to come on board starting in 2027 as production ramps up. What's especially interesting is how this lines up with what's happening overseas. Just last month, Chinese robotics company UB Tech released footage showing its Walker S2 humanoid robots being deployed across automotive assembly, logistics, smart manufacturing, and even AI data centers. According to UB Tech, those robots are being rolled out in stages directly into frontline industrial roles. All of this suggests that the race to put humanoid robots to work on factory floors is officially on, and it's no longer a one-sided story. Both American and Chinese companies are moving carefully but steadily, focusing on real-world deployment rather than flashy demos. And with Atlas now entering production, we're clearly stepping into a new phase where humanoid robots aren't just a futuristic idea anymore. They're becoming part of everyday industrial life.